The NGO TEVET is a French NGO created in 1989 and established in Burkina Faso since 2001. So through local associations and the pilot farms, the NGO is trying to implement a new way of arranging or of managing the soils. This way is called the Sahelian Bocage. So the Sahelian Bocage is a way of rearranging or redeveloping the crops fields in a way that every or each raindrop of the rainfall water remains into each field, into the fields. So for that, we plant trees like creating edges around the fields, and we plant trees in the axis of each field. So this can allow the fields and the soil to be more fertile, and then allow the farmers to have more yields in their productions. So for example, for the sorghum crops, the average yields that we have is 2,000 kilograms per hectare, or 2 tons per hectare. So this is a good yield for a country like Burkina Faso, where the average yields are between 700 and 600 and 700 kilograms. So the bocage is very useful for the farmers because it allows them first to have soils that are more fertile, and then the soil is protected by the edge and by the trees, and from the edges and the trees there are more benefits that they can have. So we have like the woods, the leaves for cooking their sauce. They have the fruits from the trees to eat, and then some trees can act like fertilizers, like for example the Fedebia, the Albida Fedebia, which acts like a fertilizer. So all these benefits from the bocage are very useful and very interesting for the farmers. So the breakthrough strategy of the Sahelian bocage is that it can gather many farmers on a same place where the landscape or the fields are managed in order to reduce erosion. It's a kind of changing the way the farmers were living before, and then create an harmonized living between human and nature.